before, managed to get the driver's door handle out, but the locksmith couldn't free the lock barrel to get a number off it. When I finally freed it, it was not in a good shape and couldn't get a number off it. Now I'm going to try and get the passenger door handle out. Well, apparently the easy way to get these door handles off is to undo these two screws here. So let's see how badly wrong that can go. This should just tap forward. What do you know? And lift out. Well, it should lift out. Why won't it lift out? There we go, just lift out. Right, having spent a few minutes destroying the door, taking the door card out and making the door handle not work at all anymore, I've now discovered that 1983 cars and onwards have a little cross piece on the end, which means that you can't take the door handle out unless you've got the key to turn in the lock and rotate this. So I don't know how they got the other door handle out, but it means I can't get this one out. So I've just phoned a locksmith to see if he can do anything with a pick or anything. Yeah. Well, the lock's going nowhere, so let's give it a bit of a polish and get some colour and life back into this bonnet. This was Jessica Simpson. I get so many views doing this. And just chucking a sponge over it, you can feel the quality. This metal just feels so thick and solid. This is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I really rate this stuff. Utterly transformed the Mini when I got that at home. Let's see what we can do to this. Well, it's not come up too badly really, has it? I think the lesson you can take away from here is you can polish a turd, but ultimately you've just got a very shiny turd.